So, welcome to Lit Survey 11 for Wednesday, November 8th. We are talking about Keystone Review and word parts. So, just one announcement, no school Friday for Veterans Day. So, we have talked about words and context. We'll be talking about word parts and test practice, and we will be on a new unit for perspective. We are going to be using specific strategies to determine the meaning of unknown words and apply that knowledge to reading, writing, speaking, and listening. So, the first thing is word part definitions for your knowledge. So, prefix is the beginning of a word, change is that middle root word, and then our suffix is able for unchangeable. So, root is the base of the word, prefix is the part added at the beginning of the word, suffix, the part added at the ends of the word, and synonym is a word that has the same meaning. Antonym is something that has the opposite meaning. Below is a question like one that you'll see on the Keystone exam. The suffix tion helps the reader know that the word distraction means A, the act of preventing concentration, B, the belief in preventing concentration, C, a person who prevents concentration, or D, the result of concentration. So here's how to answer that question. If you know what the suffix means, great, answer the question. If you don't know what the suffix means, don't worry. You can do one of two things. Answer the question based on your knowledge of the word itself. Answer the question by finding the word in the passage and using the context clues to help you select an answer, which we have talked about before in here. The answer is A, and we'll practice these in the following Train Your Brain exercise. So, I am glad that I live in a democracy where I can vote for my leaders. The suffix a C or ACY helps the reader know that democracy means A, have the quality of individual representation, B, without individual representation, C, the person who provides individual representation, or D, the opposite of individual representation. You should have been able to immediately eliminate B. You can also eliminate C because you do not live in a person, and D represents the opposite of democracy. So it should be A, have the quality of individual representation. Number 2, try and narrow your answer choices using POE. The town planned to improve its energy efficiency by building a hydroelectric power plant by the river. The root hydro helps the reader know that hydroelectric energy is generated from A, the sun, B, water, C, heat, or D, wind. So using POE, the process of elimination, we can find this one hopefully to be easy. So by the river means that hydro means water, such as fire hydrants. Susan B. Anthony was one of the first modern advocates of feminism. The suffix ism helps the reader understand A, the characteristics of Susan B. Anthony, B, the environment of Susan B. Anthony, C, the beliefs of Susan B. Anthony, or D, the physical qualities of Susan B. Anthony. This question could be tricky because you're being asked what you understand about Susan B. Anthony. The sentence does not help you understand her environment or her physical qualities. Ultimately, a reading passage containing this sentence would have been about her beliefs, which is a main idea statement. So that would be C, the beliefs of Susan B. Anthony. So we'll do the same thing, trying to answer our choices using using the process of elimination. The best way to maintain a healthy smile is by taking a proactive measures to prevent plaque and tartar. The prefix pro helps the reader to understand that there are steps to be done. A, after a dentist finds tooth decay. B, before a dentist finds tooth decay. C, during a dental exam. Or D, sometime in the future. So again, this prefix question is ultimately still a main idea and context question. After reading this sentence, what do you know about maintaining a healthy smile? You should brush your teeth before going to the dentist, but you knew that already, right? So B, before a dentist finds tooth decay. So we identified and defined new words, and we practiced using POE, which is process of elimination. So you have some test practice questions for your L2 Keystone Review Word Parts activity, and you will be doing an Achieve article on Thursday.